Good afternoon. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. It is very hot outside, but here it feels nice.
Glad to hear it. Would you like an iced coffee to cool down or maybe something else?
Yes, please, and also I want tree muffins. Yes, tree muffins.
Tree muffins? Oh, you mean those Christmas tree pastries. We don't usually sell them in summer, but we still have a couple left. Here you go, you tree muffins.
Wait, why are they shaped like Christmas trees? I just wanted 1, 2, tree muffins.
Ah, you mean 3 muffins, not tree muffins. I thought you wanted the Christmas tree pastries.
Yes, my tongue, it does not like this sound.
Don't worry, Matteo. Lots of people struggle with the It's tricky, but you're doing great.
3 muffins, better?
Perfect. That's the sound. 3 muffins coming right up.
Tree,
Tree.
3.